So today we are going to study how to use this Draw.io online software to draw some diagrams. So use device and create new diagram and select blank diagram. This is free software. And let's make the title as, let's say, source to destination. Source to destination. Rename. Then search tower. This is the search bar. Just enter. This is tower symbol. There are different symbols. I use this one and this one and this one. I consider this as source. So what I did is just use Ctrl Z to undo the changes, and this I consider this as a tower. Double click and select text, and I use source S, and you can use these settings to change the font size, and you can use bold, you can italic, or you can do underscore, and there are different effects, so you can use it. And I use this like this, and this is the destination. I use D, and then so I need to show the signal is going from source to destination. I use arrow. There are different kinds of arrows you can use. There are different kinds of icons you can use in your diagramming. I take this one from here to here. You can use this one, just delete it. This tile, select this, and style you can use under style. You can increase the width of the arrow, or you can change the color. I use ash color. Just select it, and you can see it's changing as it is. I use the same black color as before, and if you need to show the what is the signal from source to destination, just go to not help, extra, select mathematical typing, and just use text, and you need $sign marks. These are $sign marks. $2 and Y underscore curly brackets and close curly brackets, and type source to destination. Then you need another $2 signs. Let's see. Then you can see it show Y subscript SD, Y source to destination. So you can use this as in your when you are drawing your network diagrams, and then select this one. If you want to download it, you can use export import from export as png, and the zoom size 100 and border with 0, transparent background, shadow grid, include copy of my diagram. Export to your, if you want to download to your computer, you just use device, or if you want to upload to a Google Drive or OneDrive or Dropbox, you can use those options also. And you can see it's downloaded PNG.